I'm a physician scientist, and I've been working mostly on neuroscience and immunology in diseases that usually cause stress and anxiety, such as autoimmunity, cancer, and inflammatory diseases. And additionally, I like very much to think about holistic medicine. This is types of medicine that has nothing to do with Western medicine. It's more about ancient cultures. Some of them were developed over 5,000 years ago, like Ayurvedic medicine from India, and also Chinese traditional medicine in old China. And all of that is very important for us to understand disease and understand how we feel in every moment. Because while Western medicine treats diseases once they have already appeared, what these other ancient type of therapies work on preventing your diseases. So additional to that, I have been thinking a lot about my own life, and that's why I decided to write down all these ideas that I had about mindfulness and mindful framing. That's absolutely essential for me, because when I went through my life, I had, first of all, high functioning anxiety. And this is when you practically don't even notice that you have anxiety. It's lots of stress, but because you are in the day-to-day life, you practically don't realize that your body is deteriorating, that your mind is deteriorating, that you are also hurting other people. That's also at the moment when I realized that one of my sons had a really serious nervous breakdown, and that required medical attention. It was independent of what was going on in our life. And at that time, I put everything together, my half-functioning anxiety, the situation of my son, and I started to see life in a different way. And that's when I decided to work on mindful framing. The book was inspired, by the way, by looking into my entire life. We are in LA. This is where we have Hollywood, and I will tell you how I came to this idea, which was thinking about my life as a movie. I was the screenwriter, I was the producer and the director, and I still am. So I started thinking about how to put together all these details of everything that I knew as a doctor, as a scientist, someone working in neurology, neuroscience, immunology, and also interested in holistic medicine. And that's when I started thinking about how I could help others. And I first started helping myself. And the way I did that was creating a travel guide, a step-by-step guide on how to deal with our mind and with our thoughts. So what I decided to do was to create a system that would help you every morning, just spending about 15 minutes, but it can be less over time, thinking about how to frame your mind. And you learn that through visualization. A number of visual exercises where you see your life in 5 steps that are described in my book. And through that, you are able to create a framework for the rest of the day. The main aspects of this book and this system is that you focus on the natural way everything is around you, and that's nature. The second one is your emotions and the emotions of others. That's the so-called empathy. And finally, taking care of your own body. So at the end of the day, what you are achieving is that you're going to have mental well-being, emotional well-being, and physical well-being. So that's the key of the book. And together with all these ideas, I provide, besides the book, besides the ideas on mindful framing, I provide in our website videos, audios, and a number of other tools that help people really get it right in terms of being able to control their life. So again, at the end of the day, it's a way to relieve and modulate your anxiety and stress.